Imagine waking up tomorrow morning with the incredible ability to neutralize your worst enemies with a single bite. It sounds like a comic book superpower, but scientists have discovered that your body already contains the exact genetic building blocks required to produce deadly venom. To understand how this is possible, we have to look inside your mouth. Normally, we treat saliva as a mundane fluid, a digestive byproduct that only really shows up when you smell a hot pizza. But saliva is a highly active biological system. A cut inside your mouth heals significantly faster than a scrape on your arm because your saliva acts as a built-in first aid kit, deploying specialized proteins to eliminate bacteria and accelerate cell repair. This diagram illustrates the sheer scale of that biological system. The average human produces around 600 milliliters of saliva every single day. Over the course of a year, you generate enough spit to fill 2 entire bathtubs. Recently, scientists analyzing this massive, self-healing liquid uncovered an unexpected evolutionary link. Human saliva is more than a simple lubricant. It is a specialized delivery system that shares a foundational blueprint with some of nature's most effective chemical weapons. In the animal kingdom, having a venomous bite is quite common. It is utilized by snakes, spiders, and even a cute little primate called the slow loris. Every single one of these animals shares a specific biological history. Their deadly venom glands began their evolutionary lives as perfectly normal salivary glands, identical to the ones inside human cheeks. To prove this link, scientists had to look past the toxic venom itself, because toxins mutate quickly through evolution. Instead, researchers focused on the genetic support system working behind the scenes, the specific genes acting as factory workers to manage the complex fold end of proteins. By mapping the genome of a well-studied pit viper, researchers found that this exact same group of protein-folding genes is active across the bodies of birds, reptiles, and mammals. The biological infrastructure required to deliver a venomous bite is a shared trait deeply embedded across the entire animal kingdom. This split-screen diagram maps the genetic sequences of a viper's venom gland directly alongside a human salivary gland. The result is a one-to-one match. Your salivary glands are packed with the exact same factory setup as a deadly snake. Your factory is already churning out the raw materials. Your body actively produces a tough, highly flexible protein called kallikrein directly in your saliva. Kallikrein is a primary ingredient in many lethal venom systems. If this protein is injected directly into a victim's bloodstream, it triggers a devastating and rapid drop in blood pressure. The factory is built. The workers are on the clock. And the active, lethal ingredients are already mixing inside your mouth today. If the genetic machinery is fully installed and the dangerous proteins are stocked, why aren't humans biting our enemies with venomous fangs? The answer comes down to evolutionary economics. Brewing toxic spit is an incredibly expensive metabolic process. It drains a massive amount of physical energy from the body to keep that biological weapon armed and ready to deploy. For certain mammals, like the vampire bat, shrews, or platypuses, that heavy energy expenditure is strictly necessary to secure a meal or win a fight. Humans developed an entirely different survival strategy. We relied on our observant brains, mastered our environments, and crafted physical tools and weapons to protect ourselves. Because evolution is ruthless about conserving energy, bodies discard what they do not use. When animals stop relying on venom to survive, the production shuts down, which is why some species of sea snakes now carry leftover, empty venom glands. The dormant recipe for venom inside our mouths suggests that we didn't simply lose a weapon, we replaced it. Our ancestors developed intelligence and tools that were so effective, they rendered the most feared weapon in the animal kingdom redundant.